The fuzzies are coming back. So, it's been a while. So here's a quick update. Obviously, I'm back in the house. I came and got the bay window. The replacement kitchen window is coming. Our replacement screens came. They're a little corkscrewed, but I suspect they're completely fine once they're straightened out. I don't know why they wouldn't be. As far as the windows go, they came and inspected them, and don't worry about it. Still got some choices that I need to make. Basically, I got to decide. I just might end up fixing myself. The rest of the house, God, to be honest, I haven't done anything since Christmas. We went and saw Shay's 95-year-old grandfather and spent Christmas with him. You know, it's one of those see an opportunity and take it kind of moments. Dang it. Every time I show up, no one has come up here and done a bunch of my work for me. What kind of shit is that? Do it myself, because, too cheap to pay anybody. Yeah, so we went and did that, and between the fresh COVID outbreak hell at school and the end of the semester and all the student council stuff, I just haven't get out here. Got kind of a mental block. I have made some decisions. We can talk about that. That's all copper water pipe fittings down in there for the most part. Half, 3/4, and 1 inch. And the fittings are kind of the most expensive part. Oh, we must have had high winds. We've blown out another blocking. Awesome. Kind of the most expensive part. So, father-in-law's got like 30 feet of copper water line, a mixture of 1/2 and 3/4. Dad thinks he might have as much as 90 or 100 feet. Again, 1/2 and 3/4 mix. So my thought is, our water comes in here. Okay, so you're going to have a well pump switch, pressure tank. We'll end up with a filter for sure because of the water filter. If we end up with a water softener, obviously the water softener would be there. All that stuff. My thought is I'll go from here to, well, there's the kitchen, and then that light that would be about the stack for all the upstairs stuff, and also where that bathroom is, because those are kind of on top of each other. But I'll do that run in PEX. But I'm going to go ahead and do copper. I know it's me being particular. I don't like the idea of squishy plastic joints inside my walls behind my sheetrock. I'm actually really good at sweating, or soldering as we call it in our part of the world, copper. I never really have any problems with leaking on that, and I just really trust it. The other side is, if house ever had some sort of freezing event, we lose power for a week or two, and I don't have the wood stove installed yet or something like that. Obviously, PEX will survive a freezing event quite well, and copper clearly won't. So here's my idea, and it's just telling you because it's not like soliciting opinions. I'm going to run copper in the walls. So come up through here, go into the upper walls up there. I'll do my best to make sure it's kind of all downhill, and then I'll tie into the PEX, stuff you can't see. I'll tie into the PEX underneath the house. And I'll put a drain valve there. So if I ever have to, emergency-wise, we can kick all the faucets open, crank those drain valves, flush all the toilets, pour some pink stuff down all the drains, and the house would survive a frost event. And yeah, I won't get it all out. If I run the copper horizontal, we all know I'd never get all of it out of that. But all the verticals, it'll drain, and if there's a little swale, the kind of suction, and that'll pull it through. So that's what I'm going to do there. I just got to get past some blockages. I rarely get home before 5 anymore, which makes it after 6 before I can get out here. You know, so even if you put in 4 hours, now you're at 10, and you go home and you get up at 6 again. And I don't know. I know I'm whining, but it's just been sort of kicking my ass. But I'm going to get back on it. The other things I'm going to do, I went and I bought some more R15. God freaking help me. When we hit February, it'll be the 1-year anniversary of waiting on the 24-inch R15. We'll be in it 1 full year. My damn insulation will be a toddler. But what else do I do, right? It's certainly not their fault. Manufacturing, it's they're doing what they can do. So what unfortunately sucks about it is it means I still have this giant hole in the center of the house that I can't quite fill up yet. But most of it's done, which means I should be able to throw in a heater. It's only R30 up in there. Only, right? R30 would have been standard even 15 years ago, 20 years ago. Instead of, is it R50 or something is what that's going to be up in there. But it'll still be fine. We're in the middle of a giant pissing snowstorm. So let's see if I can find that block. Oh, I bet that's gone over a hill. Yeah, I bet that's gone. Up here the snow's not so deep because it's been blown away. Unfortunately, it's all been blown down in there, so I don't know. We're at maybe a foot down around in front of the house, down below. Awesome. Okay, well, I guess that block is just gone. It's out there somewhere. I hope it has a vibrant life and thinks of me often. Godspeed, little buddy. I'll make another one. But I got no way to plow it. The backhoe won't touch this crap. I'll just get it stuck somewhere. So if it gets much worse, I'll have to crank the old excavator to life and then just rattle it up and down the driveway and, pack down some trails, drive on those. Let's cut that window open, that window screen bundle open really quick, and we'll have a peek at that. Yeah. I'm trying not to be a dick, right? It makes me really uncomfortable to be a dick, but I mean, come on. This is the kind of crap as to why I don't know that I trust. Just fix it. Yeah. They're tacos. Of course, it's been stretched out. Hasn't been pulled out of its little clip. I pushed it back in. Oh, yeah. There's a wrinkle and a crease right there. God damn it. And all the little ones are tacos as well. I don't know why they wouldn't clip in. I better test them here really quick. But I don't know why they wouldn't clip in, hold in place. But I mean, it's where my trust issues come from, right? 2 pieces of cardboard kill you? Anyways. Loose floppy screens are still better than screens with holes in them. So, that's what I got up there. But I'll go ahead and test fitted. God damn it. Yeah, I might be fixing my own windows. Anyways, God help me. So that's what we've been doing out here at the River House. I'm gonna have to get 2 hands and spring those into the frames and find out if they're gonna stay in place. But with luck, I'll get over whatever mental block I got going on. I might be running to Kalispell. Of course, like I said, there's a huge winter storm coming. It's either going to be rain, which will be, I don't actually know if that's better or worse, or like 12 to 18 inches of snow with wind. So, frickin' blizzard. It's going to be one of the two. So, getting to Kalispell this weekend does sound like it might be a bit of a stretch. But if it's not a bit of a stretch, I'm going to go and hit up Mom and Dad, and I might hit my father-in-law and gather up all those pieces of pipe, and I'll begin working on that. There's definitely still a bunch of something's clicking. Bunch of insulation that I can be working on. I can be hooking up the bathroom fans and stuff. You know, it's just one of those things where I've remodeled a lot of houses where I pull out their old plumbing and put in copper. But for whatever reason, the idea of starting without plumbing to copy, even though I know what to do, is, yeah, I've just been finding other things, if you know what I mean. So that's what we've been up to, and it's like a 6-inch twist. Oh man, that's what we've been up to. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some content coming up, and we'll be getting some more stuff done here. Maybe even with a touch of heat. What else could I do? Oh, I got to put in an order. That's the other things. The Dad's kind of run out of shekels a little bit, right? So we got to build up again. But I could put in an order and run all my gas lines. You know, I just got to remember I can get away with roughing this stuff in, and then you know, seek professional advice from family and friends for the last little bit. So I need to get some of that stuff in. If I run to Kalispell, I'll pick up the sheetrock jack, and I don't want to spend $15 a sheet for sheetrock, but God knows there's a lot of sheetrock I could do. And there's that big mental push that comes with sheetrock, because everything looks so much more impressive, right? I mean, in theory, these rooms are, and I just gotta keep reminding myself, in theory, these rooms are basically done. They just need sheetrock. And if I got them done taping and texturing, my God, I would suddenly have that psychological boost. Like, dude, you're accomplishing something. But to walk in here for a year with bare studs, it's been a little harder. Anyways, that's what I've been up to. Hopefully the New Year's sees you and yours well, and you had a fantastic holiday time with the people you like, and didn't have to hang out with the people you didn't like. And then, you know, you see the other side of this global crud on the positive side of the scale. So thanks for watching.